Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009? Wondering which fuse controls what in your car? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009 is located on the left driver's side near the windshield under a plastic cover and contains fuses and relays for engine management, ECU, ABS, lighting, ignition, and cooling systems, with a diagram provided inside the fuse box lid. The front prefuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009 is located in the engine compartment near the main battery junction and contains high current fuses for systems like the front SAM, starter motor, cooling fan, and interior fuse blocks, with its diagram usually found in the service manual. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009 is located at the left side of the dashboard behind a side panel revealed when the doors open, and manages fuses for interior electronics like the command system, climate control, instrument cluster, and power accessories, with a fuse diagram on the panel cover. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009 is located behind the right side panel of the trunk and contains fuses for tail lights, trailer socket, rear power outlets, and electronic trunk functions, with a fuse diagram typically on or near the cover. The rear prefuse box in the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2003 to 2009 is located near the battery under the right side of the trunk floor and contains high amperage fuses for the rear SAM, rear fuse box, and power supply to key rear electrical systems, with its layout shown in service diagrams or on the unit itself.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.